Hi, Andrea here, and today I want to introduce you to Kinsta's affiliate program. If you're a Kinsta customer already, or simply an online entrepreneur looking to make passive income, partnering with us is a great way to earn extra money while recommending great hosting. You earn commission with every referral. Get $50 to $500 after every sign-up based on the type of plan you refer. We understand users might not convert right away, and that's why we provide 60-day tracking cookies to ensure that you get credited for the sale and your earnings are paid in a 60-day conversion window. But it doesn't end there. Kinsta offers true profit sharing by giving you 10% monthly recurring commission for a lifetime of the customer you referred, enabling you to build passive income. With less than a 4% churn rate, Kinsta customers rarely leave, so recurring commissions hold real value. Payouts are always made on time and sent right to your PayPal account each month. With a quick calculation on our affiliate landing page, you'll quickly see just how much income you can earn as a Kinsta affiliate. Getting started is a 3-step process. Sign up and get approved, create your affiliate links, and download our banners to share on your sites and social media. And as soon as your links convert, you'll get credited for the referral commission and you'll be eligible for the next payout. As a Kinsta affiliate, you can track your sales and recurring revenue with our custom affiliate dashboard. We built our own affiliate system so we could tailor the experience to the products we offer. Our dashboard gives you a quick and easy way to see your total referred page views, recent referral subscriptions, and a graphical overview of the plan distribution. We stand behind our data and encourage you to double check with your own measurements, and our system is ITP 2.0 ready. View detailed subscription data for each referral, including when they complete actions such as upgrading, downgrading, or canceling. View exactly when you'll get paid for each referral, receive one-time commissions, and view your recurring commissions. Create your unique affiliate link with a single click and point it anywhere on the Kinsta website. See how your links perform and then optimize based on what converts best. The Kinsta affiliate dashboard is available in 5 languages: English, German, French, Spanish, and Italian, and more languages are on the way. The great part is that Kinsta is an easy sell. A churn rate of under 4% tells a lot. Once customers come to Kinsta, they rarely leave. And remember that you earn commission over the lifetime of their stay. Some of the features that make customers stay with us are that we're powered by Google Cloud Platform with 22 global data centers, we have lightning-fast speeds and fortified security, we offer the latest tech with SSL, PHP 7, HTTP2 CDN, staging areas, and more. And our professional support staff of WordPress experts is available 24/7. If you're ready to sign up, go to kinsta.com/affiliates to find out more.